So guys, daburuka gonyera na haike. Haika gonyera.
I'm at the door with my shoes half on, my mind still in yesterday. Then you say my name so soft, and I'm right where I'm supposed to stay.
A pleasant morning to you all, ladies and gentlemen. So the thing is like, we're looking forward to travel to have a long journey. I don't know. I think travel to Zimbabwe or to Joburg. I don't know, man. But we're looking forward to have a road trip. I don't know if my English is correct, but yeah, what I want to do right now is I want to go and save the car. The car is already saved, and we did all the suspension. So now I want to go and do wheel alignment. Please don't mind me. My head is scattered, and I didn't even bother. I just woke up. It's windy. I just woke up and decided to go and do wheel alignment on my car, which is the small car behind me over there. So yeah, let's go and do wheel alignment before we travel the journey. I don't want to have problems whereby I was stuck, You know me. If you follow me from the way to go, I always want to have a perfect car. You know what I mean? Ish, I'm looking so crusty. I want to travel with the perfect car, but it's going to be like 1,700 kilometers journey. So yeah, man, stay tuned and yeah, go with me. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll show you when I'm there. I don't even know how much it's gonna cost though. But yeah, let's go. So guys, Tashika. What's up, bro? We are alignment. As you can see. The woman we are alignment. So I don't do alignment. Nige see. Yes, that's come after you never balance this so that I each can my ends my feel. My tire appear my side, You need to balance this come after you. Because I don't know what I say. So I don't remember we are alignment. This is what we alignment is. Nige starts with a machine up. But computer, but I don't know studies. Jesus come after you. So yeah, I will let you know when the car is done. So I don't take it to finish on my field. Then yeah, station. So guys, carro sungo amotaka. Carro só no maviro, mas you can see. So yeah. So guys, the Cooper power alignment as you can see. So yeah, yes, the receipts and everything. Go so much alignment. It's not that expensive, bro. Zungumura dufama zaka dashara kunge. Zungumura dufama zaka dashara kunge mas dada keta ku deso mafiro to fene ngude so. It's not that deep, bro. It's just like 300 rand or 350 bucks. I don't know what that is. But around 300 rand. So yeah, we are leaving now. I was saying, come and get your cars wheel alignment. It's not that deep. It's like 300 bucks or 300 something. I mean, wait for motor wheel alignment. Kwa moja no famba keta sidada ungamena meno keta sitakisi. Napa pakiwa. Uri kuenda kuna download kuna kwese ro zvimataya. Service motor kumana. Service motor. Unodo famba nemota zote ngamena meno. Motor wakanzo yaku Zimbabwe ino zvimwesa fuel ndoika problem for ngona nayo. Uri sano service motor. Muzvinzi kwaka. Anyways, machines. So guys, tinemsikana mupfupi ari panapo. Ndingamutaka ngapfupi kari apa pa. So akamutaka ngani kagadzirwa equipment yapera zvona. Usamutaka chakadiki. Okay. Anyways guys, we're going to Kimetanaga's house. No, I mean, stay tuned on gang. So guys, please go fund me, please. Look at my tank. Ragachuka hero. Baby, please go fund me. Please, baby, go fund me. Please go fund me.
How much do you want?
Money for tank. Why is this one wooting this motherfucker? I don't want to go to the red robot. Please go fund me.
Don't worry.
How much you want to give me?
I'll just pay for the footing.
You actually need that man, my sister. Keep it. You actually need GoFund yourself, my sister.
How do you? I have money.
We should open GoFund for you,
Can
actually.
I have my money anyways?
Okay, please flash 10 rand for me.
Can I have my money first?
Which one? Which man?
You know.
I don't have your money, sister.
Oh.
Angina mali yako wena. Wena utini mali yako ipi? Mali yako ipi?
I want my money.
I don't know about your man. How come you lend me money when I don't know the man? When I don't know about the man?
I gave you my money yesterday or the day before yesterday.
Well, maybe it's a ghost which was pretending to be praised. Because when I don't know about that man.
Oh, next
Yes.
time I'm not going to give you.
Next time muningwe wanakupi next time.
So ukuthandwane marere.
Wena ubrokile wena.
Alright.
Yes.
So awandina vanhu vanondida wana.
Yes. No one loves you. Thank you.
It is. Believe is how man.
I'm telling you. Anyways, guys, this is our last days in Cape Town. We're going to Zimbabwe. Or we're going to Joburg. We don't know. Should we go to Zimbabwe straight? I want to stay in Joburg for few days, months, weeks, you know what I mean? And then we continue to swim. So this is our journey to Zimbabwe. But we're going to Joburg. So this is like, a few days before. We don't know if we are sure yet.
This is our journey to Zimbabwe, but we're going to...
Yes. I'm trying to say this is our journey to Zimbabwe. But for now, we're going to have our first stop in Joburg. You know what I mean? It's like a road trip. Road trip, you don't have to rush, Baba. You can even do 1 year, but one day. You know what I mean? So yeah, now we're going to our friend's house. Actually, it's the last moments, but they don't know their last moments. Because it's praise. Praise, I don't get another. Because when I go back and go job back. Yeah, this is what it is. Let's get it. Like Panaka, yes, that's okay. That's what you do. Would you remember? That's what I do. That's what I do. Because that's okay. Or anyways, guys, stay tuned. So, guys, Tashika Panapa. Yo, I had to get chase from Tanaka because it's cold. So, we're about to go to the park. This is parents' chase. So, we're gonna go to the park to shoot some skits. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Stay tuned. Sun-kissed. Oh. Umdoro advert. Doremiro. So guys, we go shoot the advert. Then, alright. Chandu ndo kurwadza. Guys,
Chandu andidi utirire vanhu ndoda utirire manu vangataure zvavangataure vasiye vaprate kwatabva kure vamwe vanoda tipesane tirambane tisanzwanane usaterere tunyaya usiponde nchikukaya rudo rwacho imvura yemupombi hari pere kunaya utara shuvari pere kunaya vangataure zvangataure yasi tinodanana
Visuda. Nandi. Changa yo. Oh no, changa. 5 2 4 card.
chichilazana aiwa unoshamisika unoruvaneana vanoda tidzokere kumashure asi kwatabva nyini newe kure.
So guys, let's talk about it. I'm back kungemsana. So yeah, I'll catch you on another vlog, on another clips, man. Yeah, man. I can't believe I live in Cape Town. But yeah, I'm due. Hey, yes, I'm due. I'm gonna show you. Yes, I'm doing so. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Hope you understand me. clock it. Hey yo, another day, like a position you want for 60 seconds. So guys, we're going to if them that come here national gas motor. But I'm just focusing on motor kaka. Let's get Myers, you never understand, bro. You never understand. But anyways, guys, you will never understand, bro. But anyways, guys, this is the last touch. You don't know what it is. You don't know what is a belt. The motor. Guys, you know it's better, prevention is better than cure. Why is it? Because you don't start on road. You don't know how to shut up. You don't start on road. You don't get a belt in Sango. Let us say now we want the rescue team to put 5,000 rands. So with it. So yeah, don't change your belt motor. They're gonna change my lights and indicators. But I get around that's all. My lights are poor, but don't waste my lights. Let's say white and one because you know. Just smoke usiku. I mean on the rain. Maybe bana, maybe that's I mean about bana maybe. Yes. Yeah, they know I love this car more than you. Yes, Leka. Danun. This is a very dangerous area. You never rush by Opides. Pindemo 2 minutes in Wangangu. Ningoro Wanganguro. Even Papa robots, Papa out of Shiki Papa. Ningoro Wangang story Papa. Whenever I was Ega guys, Quarren Hills, Quarren Park. You know, Muga. I was a few by Rose Egg and Quarren Park to Uruzbab. Sunday Zero. Alright. It is. Stay tuned. So guys, Tashika mind us. Let me look my car. Naswata wasari. Wata wasari na. Ba hope man. Ukuluka so exhausted. Ukuluka ke mane hope.
And sina hope by chance and James.
Alright. Let's go. Máscara se. Muito safe. Mbona sukichika. Yeah. Fez agora lugar onde mna ne hope yes.
Sure.
Gara wako check up nika zuwa zvako but yeah.
Asina sanga shinda.
But you are just looking sleepy. But you're gonna be okay. High five. Nzara. I know. Kunapo. Yeah. But anyways, stay tuned guys. So guys, I'm going to location. Mungu feel like I'm scared. I feel like I will not be rose when you're doing a location. That's why you're not that afraid. But yeah,
I think
this is chill. Yeah. But this is the location. Kuno peace ego. The pengas now. Anyways, yeah. So guys, we're going home. We're going home now. And there's traffic in freeway. I don't know why, but yeah, there's traffic. Anyways, yeah, make sure you stay tuned. There's what? Roadworks. Hero. Ruta paying attention to detail was able. Shout out to you.
Expect some delays.
Shout out to you. Yeah, vamos lá, senhora. I don't believe it. But you put the change up again. Okay. Anyways, guys, yeah, my inspector at tower. Manage to come back to Kufara. I'm South Africa. They do very fast. Zimbabwe. I was supposed to roll around with the Zavan. Just load was not in wrong. Very station. So, guys, as you can see, now the pinkish is back. It was like brownish. But I'm not going to don't buy my pink nails. Anyways, I'm watch today, and then I'm gonna wash the car and dig. Go something around. Like we watch and dig, and then clean inside. You know what I mean? Then yeah, it's ready for the chain tomorrow. So stay tuned again. Go to check out Zafa. Why not pay the cleaner?
Next time I'll be back soon. Ndaenda wapedza iwe. Handisi ndatsvaira meso.
Ndo watsvaira kwacho. Ndo watsvaira kwacho. Repai. Unachire musoro. Kirongora wana vhudzi musoro wacho. Wapedzwa nemanza. But yeah guys. Topedza sikesita kusara nekumashure. Yeah. Kwasara kugeza panze. Ndoba nenyaya. So yeah, stay tuned.
Kugeza panze.
I don't know. Maybe I'm going to pukuta. So guys, yeah, we're done cleaning the car, and we're waiting for tomorrow. Akamota kakasimba. My distance andoka kwenye sakara kamwana kadikika. Mahombe. Anyway, station. So guys, we are packing. These are our bags, and this is some of our clothes. Yeah. So guys, packing. Guys, murikuite gosi kuna. Murupeka. Okay. Marupeka. Yes, guys, this is the night before we embark. Is it correct? Yeah. Kamota kanogara kachirwa marounds oreka. Akakaita kuload. Akumana azvitike zvine order. Zvatoisika so. Yeah.
Kuda ipi order ipi?
What do you think base? Morning guys. So it's like around to 4 a.m. Yeah. We're ready to hit the road. The whole complex is sleeping, like it's literally quiet. So yeah, now we're just going to get the food tank and then we hit the road. So yeah, stay tuned on gang. I'm ready for the journey. I'm there. Very ready. Very.
I'm tired. Guys, we slept late yesterday and we woke up. It's like it's around 1, I'm gonna 3.
Good boy. So guys, let's go. So guys, is it on? Oh, nice. No, it's good. How's it? Good. Can you please put food tank? Food? Yeah. So guys, look at what I tank. First stop. Burungwedo is the food tank. See? Oh yeah. Alright. Ufanotinga uni mari yatineke. Mari yangu ya ndakakupa. Makoini edu. Pina garage utinge masweet. Inotinga tu mahore tu mahozi. Wakachino tinga masweet ekudya mroti. Was moyo wangu wakutomira re.
Hanira po mari yangu.
Sorry zvenyu. Sorry.
Asi ndinzi handina mari. Guys, muona kuti ndine mari.
Muri mbinga ndimukuru mune mari kumwe mukuru. Yes guys, stay tuned. Okay. So Koroma, can you please balance tires for me? Get right. What do you grow it? Mana guys, kamata kanga no 1,000 rand. Nyoti mama ningo few hundred atakasa ni zero shoma ingasa ya. No 1,000 rand baba. Kana kanya sudzipwa. Katenga 35 liters but kuni chamzo kapinda 4 liters. So kana kanya sudzipwa kanoita overfull. Yes, to balance my tie now. Kwenye rwendo. Awo, wakutodya maswiti angu. Avanjari.
Yes, Roma.
Hamna nyadzi nege.
Karen, uendo rwatotanga, tiri pamwe chete, moyo wangu, kumushakwe.
So guys, this is the first target to say goodbye Cape Town. First target, baby. Everyone's in power. You feel me? You feel me? Good boy. So I got twinny gangwa. Yeah guys, wanna show you that I'm tunnel after passing this target. Toyek. From your rock, Toyek. in a statue. You not tunnel, baby. This tunnel, I the max say ni mascator manero. I think I got some number marina like this. But this is the famous tunnel. So yeah, the statue on gang. Guys,
Lazim doma muti rwaza.
Guys, one night. Tabana network tazongota taswika pana panerima. I think like 1 hour 20 or 30 minutes ago. Tazongomuka pazara zara twarongo pamberi pedu. Twazara godo. So guys, tana with a stop kutimborara, and then we slept. And now we want to continue with the journey. So I just want to go and pee, and then I will continue with the journey. Tarara just like about 200 kilometers away from Cape Town. Was it the thing is like Nagora the previous year, Nagora but TikTok. But when they get 30 minutes or 1 hour. So I hope it's the most Zotanga Kuru Mama Bagwezo. And it's a station on gang. So guys, we had to take recess first. Yeah.
Hey, boy.
Show you all this.
Right.
Good. So guys, that tuna coffee. So it was his idea. Buy coffee.
Especially wewe.
So guys, we had to come and buy coffee. I think you have to do it up with.
Saka hapana panjawi swani matimoni. Ini ndine ngoni pamboni. Vandi konia. Ini njoli testimony. Saka hapana panjawi swani matimoni. Satani ya unikoni. Boni ya uoni. Ya sara ineboni. Satani ya undikoni. Anapaya pandaka enda joni. Daenda kumaini nikabuda ngoni. Dakazongotsoka nekatoni. Daita hit song ya ringtone.
So guys, tabeta panapa tichiwedzera mvura. Vamwe vakonekisira masepe. Amunyare?
Hanzi masepe, unoziva masepe.
Samachi?
Guys, Malays anonzi masepe.
Masepe akaenda kwa school jet. Private school. Yes guys, we're out here in Beaufort West, and yeah, we're continuing with the chain. Shazo Miramu, maybe Cosbeck, I don't know. Tachwedzera mvura, tanyumwa. Because car was gonna boil. We're gonna boiler for bicycle. Anyways, let's go now. That's about 3 sisters. Baby, when I'm doing two of my stops. Kana wana vlog na kwenda Zimbabwe faro ngishipasi ya. Yo bantu la first stop ndi mabhazi kwenda Zimbabwe bana. Pana about 3 sisters. Babata. Ndopano mirwani ya vanhu panapa. Tafamba 546 kilometers. Tufio chinatu kulombo sijoti. Overnight fee 100 paketi on risk. Adesha awesa. Sadombo sija kuti tasara ni makilindas mangam tibali the next garage ndonga fiko pana apekana to risk kufamba zvakare. So yeah, nekutsvaka chikafu selo. Wanenzara? And then this boy anenzara. Pakapa.
Ndisikuda chikafu.
Ausina chikafu. Taura chi?
Ndisikuda chikafu chinogutisisa ndina appetite.
All right. So guys, tashika. Pa first stop. I think I have the first stop exactly. Now we are like 500 kilometers away from Cape Town, and then we are left with like 800 something. This one.
Yes.
But yeah, we're moving, man. Hopefully. Toshika. Nozori kuverenga kilometers kuva kwa net yes.
Ganchi udzo anozva tichiripo ndobva ndati aiwa tafamba
nyangwe wakadautisa the fact yekuti tichiripo
tinoramba
tingoripo
ndikufila kuti tafamba iwo hako ndokunyanyotasatasa mene kutokumanyira kugati ndikufila kuti
driver unorwadza because iwo wakakula down
tarisa pane time izvezvi dzichiri kuma to 12 like netime dzatamuka apa tambovata
topatitileva Anyways, guys, stay tuned. Takuita recess now. Sababu hapa pane ka dress ndo wakadza. Ndoziyo unongoda unditera. Hapo ndiko wakadza, huko ndiko warumo. Alisa aloita wetu wakamira. Alisa aloita wetu wakamira.
Oh, mchera mbele.
Aiwa ndio na shughuli. Iwe. Ndio ane chikubu chako alonitambidza.
Oh, alright.
Chungoya nacho kana.
Ari kudrive nesa sayo idzimuchemba.
Kwa muburikire nayo koma. Basa yangu akachukua hapo. Wakoroka shiba bro. Basa yangu akatumika senzuri. Ulongo wa mitaji yake. Sema ndabetenga chikafu.
And please andi bola.
Atakuza ndio mjiki ndio mwana. Utakuza nini babazi? Ndio mwana. So guys, there's a safe station here. There's a garage here, but I don't want eat fuel now because pane mwe kutaruzo tiri ku 107 kilometers away. Tikasvika kavharwa, we are doomed, my sister.
Head southwest, then turn right.
Akakanyarara. Anyways, tsakuti experiment. Timboona.
Turn right toward N1 and 12, then turn right.
So mana. Shamwa fuel after 100 kilometers.
Turn right toward N1 and 12, then turn left.
GPS akamwana. I'm sure mukanzwa tazvinzwa. Anyways, we bought the food and now we're reaching the road. Yes, our little baby. Let's go. Guys, tatamskanzo. Hatuna mwedu fuel takati chanozondra mberi. Tapirwa ne fuel. Wando mazi. Hapa we are like 25 kilometers away. Wando mazi yen. Anyways, let's see if you can get help. Tora phone yako tunapatona kwa na help. This is where you go start. Gonye tura kangu ngera sumuka man. Yeah. Tuna kwenda tezi. Apa the fun thing is that she's just stuck, but you wanted to see to stuck as you what here. Mana few yapira mana. Yere da kuriska. Don't try my risk mana, it's not worth it. It's not worth it mana. Tusawaenda. Kaya ditengera tsuka chinona paka 6 kilometers away. Kada you just about 20 something.
Kwarika tanga chifungo 100 kilometers
zidiki
that far ataona chengira kutuka aba shinzi 60 lucky enough izvezvi tamu 20 but
pakashata. I just press the panic button. Hopefully the tracker guys they will call me, but no call yet. I don't know if they can locate my car right now, but maybe they're trying, but there's no network.
And we are trying to stop other cars if
and they are not stopping.
But yo, ananonga straight as life yavo baba.
Right. Mawana.
Batashika bana 8.
Batadzidza. Lero muzama requesta Uber. 20 kilometers. It goes sama tu. Anenge akutoya tomudza driver.
Musolisikinuya. Nuya nakati.
Naburuzwa guys. Elena see. Napakwa ikagonye ruko box asuko.
Hey guys. Road trip gone wrong. My one. So right now my man I end up nearing my track. Cool. I hope kumberi kwaenda kune fuel station. Ndasara ndega. He wanted me to come along hanzi hande tusiya moja yakadaro. But then nachongotyira mota ndaramba and then futi tangata baya panic button saka vanhu vekatreka manje tatya kuti vanozouya vozotora mota apa taenda tese kuzi vanenge vakufunga kuti pamwe isusu tatiza mota chichichino saka mawana apa panapa pandiri hangu handisi kutya because patori like ndepekuzororera like so unonzi pane rimwe gonyeti ritoripo but mota nemagonyeti ari kupfuura ari kutoti mota iri kuta kusheka kudai kutonge chaienda nemhepo. Guys, we could have been somewhere now. Let's what to manaka. Let's what to somewhere. But ish. Tambona. Guys, ndikakudze tambona mata baba. Tambona mata. Unaimba masong esewe. Tichiimba tu masong bari baba tibatsiri. But ish tisedu tangu baiza. Dai tangu siya tangu tinga feel my experiment I guys. So guys, next time if you are going for a road trip or you are going somewhere far away, chingogara kwakagadzirira because aibo zvekuti hanzi tosvika but tosvika hazvibudi. Saka pakaipa guys. I hope anokasika kudzoka guys. Like I understand hangu kuti like it's risk kubatsira vamwe vanhu muroad but if indoziva kuti dai tiri kuZimbabwe 2 minutes dzatangomira umwe munhu musina kutombomisa mota kana tase anotongomira kubvunza kuti do you need help kana kuti is anything okay kana kuti hanzi is everything okay. Kunoku tamisa guys tovarungu hanzi tichizunguza musoro mumwe achiti ameno azongoti nzuro tsitsi like tanga tikatovarerwa tikangomira panze bvaridza bhero bvatotimirira pamberi apa then vamwe vanga vakazorora apa tachifunga kuti vachanomuka kusimuka but vamwe 2 vatoenda kumberi like marori 3 SM company saka vanofunga kunga vachimirira 2 aenda kumberi 1 wekupedzisira like vanotonge sekuru vechikuru bva vatondidai so like dai ndatovatimirira ndoda help he was going to help me but tatawana help zvakaoma. Zimbabwe wamboshaya wagona kutowana atori nayo feel yacho tokuisira mumpa mari guys. Haya apa now 20 kilometers 20 manaka so nodzoka about an hour chero or more because rora harifambi mawana. Anyways tongosiya zvese kuna Mwari. At least I see breakdown because they get breakdown time muwana kupi makanika panapa like as you can see tarisai kwatiri pakati pesango apatorina pangoriwo nechi pangorioneka kaka resting area chete kumwe kwese makomo nemota dzirongopfuura dzichienda ende vanhu vava avamiri mota inenge pamwe inenge iri kana mu140 baba kana kuti mu160 ukamira panze apo ntonge uchatakurwa kunze phew. But anyways, I hope kuti anowana transport yekudzoka kunoku but I think at least ikoko angonongobvunza vanhu kuti mukuenda kupi pamwe munhu ari kuenda pa3 sisters kana kuti ari kutoenda kuCape Town ngoti can you please help me like kune vanhu akawanda zvasiyana nemuno muroad vanhu vanenge vachitya kubatsira kakozi vanenge vachiti hatisi kuziva kuti wakaita sei saka mawani apa changa chindirwadza ndechekuti mota dzese idzodzo tadzi overtake kare dzanga dzakutotidarika praise anga kungoti angonditi feel payapera zvanzi mberi zvaendwa ndakati zvani indaseka kuti achokwadi amunonda ndichisekei but azvitotsamwisi kana kuchiemedzisa kana kutisa stress zvinotosekesa kuzi tisu taita chibenzi. But anyways guys, just stay tuned. I'll update you later. Maybe you'll call me apa network kunoku iri kunetsa pamwe nekatrika watombotirai kutifonera network ichinesa. I hope you will be able to communicate. Ndonzwa kuti akudzoka here kana kuti awana help here. Pamwe fuel yacho koze asina pekuisira. Tasina pekuisira. Vanogona kuramba kumisira muchigubhu. Kana kuti handiziye but ndakungohopa kuti zviri kufamba muchigubhu otherwise. Anyways guys, bye. Stay tuned. I'll update you with how far. And I'm going to school over, but so I think everything is going to be okay. Because they like sango chero ananchishikana asingadosiya baby shivi wedu ego. Unoona munhu anongopwanya window memwana wotuta tundu kwese. Anyways guys,
makalazi. Unoshandisa nawe makalazi. Makalazi Cape Town.
My man is here, and that was fast, very fast. I'm also vlogging. Cause I don't get cream soda, ne?
Hey, I'm feeling blue. I'm what's up, vlog? What's up, vlog? It's the stocking couple.
And that was fast. Wakasik.
Right, that was fast. So guys, daburuka gonyera na haike. Haika gonyeti. What are you vlogging, bro? Hey, I'm feeling blue. I'm what's up, vlog? What's up, vlog? It's the stocking couple.
And that was
right.
Fast.
Right, that was fast. So guys, finally, few I have to do foot. But at least I go straight to Africa by the garage there. Abantu baraburuzirwa. Abantu barazoikira. Ndozonobatwa pamwe muchigundura yana chiripo. Twenza amnyingi munobatwa rabomzi yadaika nayo. Chena kubo chigundura yacho. I think ndochiteka itike ready.
Head toward Nod Street.
Icho.
In 150 meters, turn right onto Douglas Street.
Icho chiruko icho. Devezo chane. Para bantu bandangwa guys. Tasvika panikini. So guys, finally. Tazosika. Takumwa second footenga. Vastaki vanhasi. Andati. Muburu wambo twazanzwa makumbo mfano. Watwanza kakawanda. Kambofamba kamota.
In 50 meters, turn left onto Spring Street, R388.
It's okay, man. We just ate it now. So guys, tapa garage tukuisa footenga. Takuzaronga footenga. Tutosvika uko kadri rakadecline. Tira kusiyewo panapa sechibatiso. So guys, aguta zvake baby chef. Baby kaka anenzara. Unenzara baby kaka? No lace today. No lace for lace people. No. So guys, continue manje. Tosozonda kumberi Bloemfontein. So yeah. Stay tuned on gang.
Karen, uendo rwatotanga, tiri pamwe chete, moyo wangu, kumusha kwedu, kunondidaiza, tichiyambuka guruvane mufaro, kucheka, kwatakava, handikanganwi, asinya sitawe kudzokera tese, diperuoko mudiwa wangu, ngatitewere nzira yemadzitate guru, mumepo munenya yazedu, mumboyo muneimba yedu, kumusha tiri vachiseka pavaranda, baba vachitambira zuva ranyura. Zvese zvatakasiya zviri mupfungwa, asi tichidzoka nechingwa cherudo.
Muda kuenda kuti? Muda kuendepi? Hamunyare?
Tofa nenzara takatarisa.
Tombozorora.
Tozorora chidya.
Indanetaka musana unombosita sha. Saka tasvika there is wind.
Tozorora taguta.
In Bloemfontein. Sha ndofara tanga nambosita mama sales first.
Munhu anofila ungambonzwa kuti
Ndofara tanga nambosita mama sales.
Inowedzera uchinyatsunzwa smell yechikafu here.
But hapana smell uri kunzwa.
Ndikuinzwa imi.
Muno dzako ngazite moyo wakaremerwa ngenekezi. Azinyare.
Washaya kuti azvimbonzi mino futi.
Mino dzako moyo wako usodaro.
Washaya.
Muno dzako ndo dzakutodaro.
Washaya.
Okay. Let's get tasvika pa Bloemfontein and start up and everything says. So yeah, stay tuned. We left with 4 hours and 300 something kilometers, almost 400 kilometers bro. And yeah, we pushed and we tried. Let's get it. Not seen any got to go on this room as I didn't go sick. Anyways, yeah. I pick us the juice. Rangu food. Ranyari.
Do you go need juice black?
It's mine. My people know.
Your people.
My people know, bruh. It's mine. Nyara. Anyways, guys.
What is yours?
No, says who? Anyways, guys, I'm adopting a Mwimpo to have a dinner. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, I'll place an order, but our order is taking long. I want to run my burura. It's been a long day. That's not that. But yeah, man, we're still waiting for our order. It's taking long to go down. So guys, this is what we got for supper. I'm going to order this. I'm going to go to Masuni Kanga Kapo Kagaro Mako. I'm going to terms a pair as a team Garimunum. Mutungo chama take away shit. But bane wangu aruma kutojola.
Chati tunango charge my phone.
Kutojola nengiros. Yeah, this is what we're eating for supper. And this is what she's eating. Salad go. So yeah, after that, and then we'll go hit the road. Baby, can I drink anything? I drink it. So you guys, make sure stay tuned.
That's all for it.
Okay. I'm talking to you again. This is pub, guys. Sadza.
It's okay.
Sadza means I know it. Yeah, those are hard. So guys, the next stop or next safe station is gonna be in 300 kilometers. So I wanna add the fuel so long. Is Arab because I suppose that my case they pay on the fuel shagari. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's go and add. Silver garage but after better kuchika. Makoti wewe aenda kunokonta wifi. And yeah. So guys, ndakuida another fuel. Yet safe station up. Ndakuida ngo petrol hapo. As you can see. Kuti ndizadzikise tank. The next safe station, as you can see, don't go to the next safe station is in 300 kilometers. Makoti ari pa wifi yo. Anyare uyo. So nangoda sasangana ma issues zvakare. Yekuti ndoperwa nefuel. So yeah, ndakusadzikise then but I continue with our journey. That's about 400 kilometers. Salogara chiri musikana wangu anogara achingodya mbozobvunga kuti kunyepa. Mazvionera mega. So guys, as you can see, the tank is we are stuck again. Tapizza. Vange mandirada vanobhaizika. Totongorare ipapo. Anyways guys, are now hitting the road at Akurwa 400 kilometers asara. And then yeah, and the next stop Kronoval is 290 kilometers. So guys, this is our last stop. We are like 130 kilometers away from Kwatugu and Joburg. Guys, ndikukosora zvekudaro dotsvaka tumahose and then tomborara panapa kwezviri maminutes zosimudzira zvedu tozozorara kumberi. So yeah, ndoita fulu isingaende, ndoita chikosoro isingaperi.
Anogwara uyu mugweni
ndakamutangeda ndo save session yatazowana after 290 kilometers. Hectic.
70
90. So it's supposed to be 300. Stay tuned. So guys, do kosara singate ndotsvaka mahose. We're not buying anything, my friend. We just left the garage right now. I'm sorry, my friend. No, you said you don't want to drink. Look, we forgot to fetch the oil. Wazona, kuri Zimbabwe pana inzi ma coffee drops. Mazira ngakadai so. Akanzi peppermint flavored man. Peppermint unochesa sei? Mint yadada chere. Pane yeah? Pana ndambotenga ivava so. Yakutenga zvandachaira. Kwaya mabhaibhula anoshanda seko. High in energy. Bhaibhula zaiso nechinjinomboisa zvemanyokere so. Ngekuti ndikanga kanomwiwa so, kana kari kwandugai. Ngekutenga adachaira. And the buy for 25 R2. Buy 2 for 25. Itenge aya nyamacheri karonai. Totenga kuana. Tudamburana.
mana
Tutora mama. Yeah, I know how still is. But also look at the kosora baby, but still boy. That's from my horse. Tingero Magnum. Tingero Almond. Amanaga. When I miss Tirigo, man. When I miss Tirigo, even the toll gate has stumbled on Neka. The road is not clear. But anyways, Obata. How's it? How are you? Good. Are you surviving with this coldness?
The weather is not good at all. Amanaga. This is the second inconvenience. I'm not doing church.
I also going to show you, my friend.
But the whole journey was okay.
No payments in that banana. When I'm going to get it, I see. She's Chando.
Yes.
What are they getting?
Freezer, Baba.
Yeah, freezer Chando. What's happening in Wana? That's all I know. Guys, how are you surviving in Joburg, guys? Yo!
Like, literally, we can't really see the...
You can't see where we're going. I think you don't go in there now.
Yes. Pakutoda low speed, Baba. Pasikuda kutombomanya zvedu zvatachita.
Can't even see the road. Show them. Can't even see. When I go. Guys, are you living in Joburg?
Yo, son! Guys, still have 200. Oh, so guys, we still have 227K. Like literally. Guys, this journey was so nice. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. Like my man, like it's tons whenever sick. What is that we did? I think I don't want to this it. So anyways, guys,
I love you. All the single people out there, I love you. Single girls.
let's continue. I think we might stop by the garage.
Yo, so yeah, guys. I bet guys we arrived late yesterday. In another day, I said in this vlog so that you wait for the next updates. You know what I mean? You wait for the next vlog. I'm very, very tired and I'm very hungry, and I really want to sleep. I mean, that's what I just want to sleep right now. Yeah, it was such a very, very, very long journey. I mean, guys, if you've watched the video today, please make sure you write down in the comment section with W Johannesburg, you know what I mean? And yeah, let me show you what I'm going to do. Yakashibela zara zviruma. Zara mu road mema yachifamba. Think man yerunene. Zvakapakira just not so beautiful. Power. Even the rope at the blood. I think the last time we done is zvinoza. At least ndakapo kwa manga chasvikira kwa manga chena ma problem and arozono kamotaka kasimba. Kaenda ku Cape Town nekudzoko Cape Town. Pasina kana any problem. Kati kwenya road kwere kutamba. Kare mu 160. Anyways, imwe moti yangu iyi. Mota yangu. Mota dzangu in fact. Muda kutaura kuti chi.
Thank you guys for watching. It was a long journey. Yeah, we thank God tikasvika zvakanaka.
And if they have watched it then ngawanyiro WC.
Andotaura.
Ndowanyiro WC?
Johannesburg.
Johannesburg. Oh, W Johannesburg. Anyways guys, I bet guys we love you so much. Peace out.